Hey guys, my name's Laser and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing some more Bee Swarm Simulator. Ethan is here, but you might not be able to hear him on the phone. Hello?
I finished Star Journey 1 and my Science Beer quest.
Yep.
That's all I've got to say.
I'm just going to be doing my Science Beer quest now because I've finished...
5 million honey,
Yeah.
25 wool jellies, 1,000 treats, and 10 tickets, and 25 pineapples if you forgot, guys. Yeah.
I'm going to give these to my Vicious Bee.
And I'm getting...
I'll give him 50 because I can't exactly give him 44.
No, he's a gun drop again without even thinking. No,
Ding!
this is impossible. The Star Journey.
I know, Star Journey 2 sucks. Go to Hive Beer. I mean, Honey Beer. Science Beer. My quest is called Hive Minded Buyer, so I called him Hive Beer.
I'm going there now and then I'll see what I get. But I love the 1,000 treats. Yes, I need that.
Okay, talk to him in 3, 2, 1, now. Fascinating. There are at least 31 types of bees. Thinking.
Well, 29.
3 glitter. I got glitter.
Notes on a human. He's frustrated because I'm a human. Oh.
I got glitter, Ethan. And look, for some reason, for the 444 quest, I got 44,444,453.
Wow.
Why do you have to say
I got
53?
Yes.
Yeah, and 16 tickets.
I got 14,142,135 mil. And I got 14 tickets. Yeah.
You couldn't get
one
Ethan.
and one glitter.
Ethan, you cannot get 135 million when I just got 44 million.
No, I mean 14 million.
Oh.
142,000 and 135 honey.
Oh, okay. Yeah, and I also got 16 tickets and science
I got
enhancement.
14.
Science isn't
And
always.
one oil.
Ethan, I'm trying to
And
say.
one enzyme and one glitter.
I heard you. I'm trying to talk science beer language. Science isn't always exciting. For every revolutionary finding, there are countless experiments that revealed nothing remarkable at all. I know, right? Much of the labour of science is just collecting samples, tracking numbers. That describes the mundane but essential bulk of our work. It's not all about fancy technology and explosive chemical reactions. Yeah. What? Oh my god, how much? Look how much I have to do for Mushroom Field.
How much?
Look.
Just wait, tell me. I can't see.
No, look on the camera.
I can't see, me. I can't see you.
I can't. I cannot explain it in words how much I have to do.
I still see that you don't have enough for the night thingy.
No, it's not there. Science beer language is
Oh,
here.
I can only see that.
Whoa, look!
Oh yeah, it's a black screen.
Shake the camera even more. There.
I'm gonna recall you because I can't see it.
Okay. Ethan's just recalling now because he cannot see the pain and terror that I am going through right now. Okay, this is the pain and terror that I am...
Loggins, it's windy. Where's Windy?
Ethan,
Tell me where Windy is.
this is the pain and terror that I'm going through right now.
I see his face, that's all I see.
Oh, wait, here.
What the flippin' thing?
I know! 150 million pollen from mushroom, and most importantly, 32 types of bees.
Friendly. Pumpkin patch.
Wait.
Windy bee.
Is that it?
Speaker login said here.
Wait. Oh, I'm coming.
You don't need to do anything extra. I've got the hardest quest in the world. It's triggering.
What?
I've got Beast Burrito. You know how hard that is.
Beesperento? Oh, that gives you a translator.
I know. But at Murder and you as well when you try to even try to do that quest.
I know, right? But, Ethan, I have to do 150 million mushroom
Well-
measurement Montoni.
Be glad you don't have to do anything else.
And I also have to discover 32 types of bees that I've already done.
Yeah. Be glad you're not me.
Be glad you're not me. 150 million.
I'd rather do that than what I'm doing now.
Million. 150
I
million.
heard you. 150 million.
My thing can only hold 4 million.
I know it'll take years, but at least you don't have to do other things. Oh, I'm fine.
Yeah, which would actually probably take less time. Oh, I see.
Yeah, I know, but I'm not. But I'm very not like a normal person. I'm like, no. I don't think like a normal
Oh.
person.
Of course, as soon as he's going. As soon as I land in the field, he's like, bye.
Which field is he at?
I don't know. I saw him go down. He might be in the 35 area,
No, he's in the coconut field.
which is the 35 area. Ethan, I said he
But no,
might.
he's not. He's in the pepper patch.
Oh, I said he
I'm
might.
Just standing.
Ethan, I said he might be in the 35 area, and you're like, no, he's not. He's in coconut. Oh, wait, no, he's in pepper. Those are both in 35 area.
Yeah, I know that.
Oh, it's lagging so
I'm gonna go
much.
Get 32. I'm gonna go get my 32nd B. Hashtag they'll totally let me in the 35 area.
Yep, it will. You'll definitely be able to. Oh, wait, no, he's
Boom!
in coconut. He's not in pepper patch.
He was in pepper patch. He must have moved.
Oh. I'm about to die. Oh, I died.
Oh. Stuff
Have I died?
much easier for me. Yes! I've got 50 tickets, so I can
Rip
get my
laser.
gold egg, and then I can use it.
Okay. Speaker login just said rip laser.
I just got a golden egg. And now I'm just using a golden egg.
Wait, what? I want to see your hive. I want to see. Don't use it yet.
I've got 32 hive slots.
I want to see you do it. Don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. Don't do it
I haven't.
yet. Don't do it yet. You can do it now.
Okay.
So the top hive slot that you've just bought. Bucko.
I'm gonna try get a different one.
Don't
Because I
get.
need to do it for
Please don't get Brave Bee. Hopefully you won't get some Bomber Bee.
I need to use 32 anyway.
Oh, Red and then Looker. Stubborn, Red, Hasty, Shy.
Oh, Shy Bee!
Shy Bee.
I need to get rid of it though because I'm doing it for a quest.
Oh, okay.
Sorry, Shy. Rascal. Really.
No. Shocked.
Unless I get like
Rascal.
a baby bee, I will only not change it if it's gifted or it's like baby bee or music.
Okay. What if it's like a gifted one that you've already got?
If it's a legendary gifted, yeah.
Yeah, but I mean something like just a gifted Bumble.
Probably change.
Guys, off camera, I got a royal jelly from Stickbug in the pineapple patch. He was like, bye.
Oh, baby bee! I got baby bee!
Yes! Ethan got Baby Bee and he doesn't have it. And Windy Bee's going, bye Felicia. And Speaker Logan's here. Speaker
I'm so
Logan's standing here.
happy.
Cool. Yeah, but off camera, I got a star jelly from Windy Bee. No, from Stickbug. And I got another gifted bumblebee right next to my gifted bumblebee right here, see? So are you not gonna royal jelly?
No.
I mean, like,
Wait,
I mean on a different bee, like on a duplicate.
I've already done enough anyway, so it doesn't really matter.
Oh, because I've got two rascals and
I've
two
got level
rads.
6 baby bee. All I need to get is music and then I have all the legendaries.
Yeah, I've got literally every single bee discovered, unless you're saying, hey, what about tadpole or vector bee? But those aren't even in the game yet. I just can't believe I have to do 150 million from Mushroom Field. That is going to take ages.
I'm just glad I got baby bee. Science fair, thank God. You know what? I did a part of science fair's quest and I got a baby bee, so I'm happy.
I've been tortured by Science Bear because I have to do 150 million from the Mushroom Field. The lowest field.
Oh, I have to do boo quests.
Yeah, no duh. For, yeah.
Yeah. But I'm glad. I've already done 3 things. I've discovered 30 bee types. I've tamed a carpet and then created 2 more jellies.
Okay. I can't believe how much I have to do.
I'm just glad I got baby bee. I don't care about anything.
You don't care about my tortures?
No, not at the moment.
Oh, you're sad. No, I'm sad.
I know. Oh. I'm also a sad fella.
Okay.
What are we gonna do at the moment? Are we gonna take out a rescue too?
Yeah, I was just about to say, I'm just gonna do this polar bear quest and then go to Murder Mystery 2.
Hey, let me just...
Oh, but this...
Can I just finish?
This...
I wanna get 800,000 plus
Oh, Ethan, festive gifts.
Hey. I've got 42 bees and I've got baby bees. Have it. No.
I feel like with my luck, if I was doing something like that and I was you, and I got baby bee, I'd be like, replace and get something like a brave bee.
Yeah.
No, my luck, I would get a gifted baby bee, and then get rid of that, and get a gifted music bee, then get rid of that, and then get a normal brave bee and keep it. That would be my luck. Because he needs music and baby. And if I was him, that's... Well, yeah, not anymore. But, yeah. So now I just need a mushroom field for a little bit for spooky stew.
I'm so glad I like music.
Yeah, that's really good. Oh, I got a red extract from the ladybug.
Oh, cool. How many extracts do I have?
I'm going to check as well how many extracts I have.
I have 41 red and 23 blue.
I've got 34 red, so you're beating me for red, and 35 blue, so I'm beating you for blue.
Yeah. But let me just use my, can I just use my, I need to get 800,000 from strawberry for food, and I've got a boost for it, so can I just use this boost up for it?
Are you talking to me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because then I want to use the boost up. First baby one!
And it will...
Last a couple seconds.
And it will be stretching out my video a bit more because right now it's only 14 minutes.
Yeah. And then I'm going to go to the food, and if I get there,
Really?
yeah.
No, I'm not talking to you. I'm not talking to you. My polar bear quest, I thought I completed it, and I thought I heard it go ding, but I got 893,000 out of 65,000 mushrooms.
Oh, that's really good.
And then that's all I need. And I went all the way up there, because I thought I finished it, and I thought I heard the...
this. I can't hear you.
Ding! I was just waiting until it went ding. Because I was like, and then I thought I heard the. And then I was waiting for it to go ding, but it was just taking so long, even though I'd already completed it. It was like, complete.
I got bamboo field.
10 minutes later.
We're waiting for
Ding!
bamboo. We're waiting for me to do bamboo because I got bamboo field. Soz.
Huh? What?
I got bamboo boots, so I'm going to go for bamboo as well because I've already done strawberry.
Okay. That's all the ingredients I need. Oh, I nearly finished the polar bear talking. Cross your fingers.
Yeah.
I'm up to I'll be waiting when you're ready for some more cooking. Crap.
Soz.
Oh, prickly pears. That's an easy one. It's literally only cactus.
Oh, well, I'm just going to that too.
Yeah. It's just
Does
a...
your baby love get better each time you do it, or is it just stay the same
It always stays the same.
unless you gift it?
I don't even think gifted helps baby love.
Oh,
Gifted
well, we can
baby...
always check.
Gifted baby do... Gifted baby B does plus 20% loot luck. Ethan.
Yeah.
Baby B's gifted hive bonuses plus 20% loot luck.
Okay.
And also, but Tabby B gets better the more times you collect Tabby love.
Yeah, I know that.
Yeah, I know you know that. I am nearly finished with this and done.
The next quest I'm gonna do is Blackbeard Y, I think.
Ding. Okay. Oh, Black Bear. Why? I've already completed all my Black Bear quests, so I miss him. I've got
Finished it.
I've got mission for mushrooms right now, which is a boring quest. I miss him when I always was like, hi, Black Bear.
I'm also sorry. I have to finish Blackbeard Y. I'm going to mountain top after this.
You have to finish all of it.
Yeah.
Really?
I only need a couple more. I only need like 3 million of blue and red, and then I'm done Blackbeard Y.
Okay. Oh, cross your fingers.
Okay. Pressing them.
More crap. Oh,
Oh.
worse crap than earlier. Worse crap than earlier. Oh, I need mantises for mantis meatballs, so I'm gonna kill mantises. Because I can't be bothered to, like, not kill them now and then have to kill them later.
There's a sprout and mushroom. You need mushroom, just saying. Coming. Just wait, I need to do something.
Okay. While Ethan is gone, we're just gonna collect some things. All I hear right now is Ethan screaming, I want to play Beast. All I heard was you screaming, but I want to play Beast on why did then last time. What happened? All I heard was you say, but I want to play Beast on why did then last time. What did you do last time? Ethan, what did you do last time? Ethan.
Yeah?
Yeah, what did you say you did last time that you don't want to do right now?
Oh, nothing really.
Okay. So, how much longer until I end this video and we play Murder Mystery?
Doesn't quite finish Blackbeard Y.
That's gonna take ages.
Uh-uh.
Oh, I got a blue extract from Rhino Beetle.
Blackbeard Y is really easy now that I think of it.
Well, it does take a while. You've had it for a while, eh? Oh.
I literally got it on Thursday.
And what's today? Saturday? Oh. It's only taken you 2 days?
Yeah. I only need
Wait, what do you have to
a
do
couple
on
million
it?
I only need to get a couple million of blue pollen and a couple million of red.
Show me the quest, like everything on the quest, show me.
Not that bad. It's like
10 million cactus, 6 million spider, 4 million clover. Okay, that actually isn't that bad. It's just because at that moment in time, I didn't have things like the porcelain Porto hive or this diamond ant amulet or the silver thing or the guards or the bubble mask.
yeah.
If I had those when I was doing it, it would have been way easier.
And if you're like if you're at least like me, it would have been easier too. Because I'm better than you were at the time you were doing it.
Yeah, at the time I was doing it, you are now better than me, but I'm better than you at the moment.
Yeah. But they can change. That's probably not gonna change.
Yeah, probably won't, unless I'm like, I don't want to play BSOM anymore, and you like, I play BSOM 24/7, which probably won't
Yeah.
happen.
Yeah. It would probably only be if you were like camping for 12 days and it was like, I'm already gonna
I never go camping.
yeah, apart from if you had to do something
Yeah.
like really important.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
No,
Really?
I'm meaning here. I wasted a gumdrop to do 47 minutes on glue dispenser still.
You did what I did.
Yeah, but mine's closer. Yours was like 3 hours. Mine is only 47 minutes. Do I really want to just stand here for 47 minutes?
Mine was only 1 hour and 35 minutes. Mine's
Oh.
probably only like 20 minutes at the moment.
Okay. Do I really want to just stand here for 37 minutes? No, 47 minutes?
No. But you can. You do you. I love it.
Okay. Oh, and I either have to use a microconverter or get rid of all my pollen in my backpack.
Wow.
I'm gonna use one, I guess. And what's sweeter than honey? Glorious gumdrops, they're just the start. A sweet and sour, ooey gooey universe. Can't you see it too?
No.
What's that, Gummy Bee? They're not seeing clearly. You're always right. Goodbye, beekeeper. Ha!
No, I've only got 1 more minute.
I was jumping when I was doing it, and now I'm just sliding down.
I only need 1 more minute so I can do my any field boost.
It's not any, it's only for like the colourless fields. You can't get the strawberry, rose, mushroom, blue flower,
Like,
bamboo.
yeah, I was feeding that.
Yeah,
I know, because of the very field boost.
yeah. I wonder if you can get Pepper Patch now from the red field booster, because Pepper Patch is a red field.
Yeah, but you can't. I've tried.
Oh. Maybe you've just been unlucky.
Every like 60 times.
My high score is right now 110. I'm going to try and do another ant challenge. Do you want to watch me?
No, I want to do Let's Be White.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Okay.
It looks like I'm going to finish all that I need to do first.
Okay. Oh, which means that you're better at blue than you are red.
Just for this quest.
Okay.
2, 1. Was I getting my field booster? No! I don't eat cactus anymore. Cactus!
Haha. Oh my god.
Do I?
Oh. Oh. I thought I right now just discovered a new type of aphid in the ant field. For some reason. I thought it said a flying aphid, but it says a flying ant.
Oh, it's gonna say.
No!
So that they don't need cactus anymore. Cactus.
Remember how earlier when I was in the pumpkin patch and you were in the cactus field, and we were talking about throwing his ball off the cliff?
Yeah.
Of course I get the ball when I'm trapped in a glass prison. So I can't throw it off a cliff.
Well.
I want to throw Puppy Bee's ball off a cliff.
Oh, I got puppy love. I didn't get pro.
Yeah, that's his new ability. Who cares about whatever it's called? Fetch. We need throw the ball off the cliff.
Hey, do you ever have that glitch where it's not, where you
Ah,
know how it's
ow.
meant to be like,
Yeah?
you know how it's meant to be like, ow, ow.
No, no, I was dying from that giant ant. Wait, what's my quest for Panda Bear? Panda Bear, tell me now, tell me now, tell me now. I don't want to die. Panda Bear, I need to do...
But
Oh.
this is what baby be when I'm in Starfield.
I need to do 250 ants, 150 flying ants, 50 scorpions, and a king beetle.
Okay.
King beetle's the easiest of all of them.
Yeah, I'll try that too.
And then probably the ants, just any ant part.
Yeah.
And
then
then,
it's probably the mantis next.
you mean scorpions?
I mean scorpions, yes.
Yes, 50 scorpions.
Because I've got mantises.
Oh, yeah, then 50 scorpions, and then the worst one is probably the 150 flying ants.
Yeah. But I've got to get. Yeah.
Oh, I don't want to die, I don't want to die, no, no, no. Oh, I died. Oh my god. That looks hilarious. Okay, keep old. But Ethan, when I died, you know how you fall into pieces?
Yeah.
Well, because I now have the porcelain Porto hive, all my pieces fell onto the ground, but my porcelain Porto hive just went behind the ant mound thing. Like, bye, Felicia.
Wow.
It looked funny. Are you nearly done? Numb. Yes, that's the best answer. Numb.
I need 3 million reds. I've done all my blue.
Are you in a red field?
I'm going to the red field now. I'm going to ride.
Okay. If I was you, I'd... Oh, wait, no, you can't. I was going to say I'd go to Pepper Patch, but you can't get there.
Does Pepper Patch have more red?
Yes, it has way more red.
Well, Rose is the most red I can get.
Yeah, I know. But above that is Pepper Patch. Pepper Patch is the best red field.
Oh, I just did all the rows that I needed for my polar bear.
Okay. Should I risk it again?
You can if you want.
Do you even know what I'm talking about?
And challenge.
No. Do you want to guess what I'm talking about? My viewers probably know from where I'm going.
No.
Ethan, do you want to guess where what I'm gonna risk?
What are you going to risk?
I'll give you a clue. It's near Spirit Bear.
Oh, memory match.
I'm gonna risk it again. I've got 134 million, so 25 million isn't that much of a dent. I've done it. Okay.
You could probably have a water fight Tatum later.
Yes! Oh, yes! Oh, I didn't get the star jelly. There was a star jelly there, and they're right next to each other.
What did you get?
I got 3 blue extracts and 5 tickets.
Oh,
The blue extracts are okay, though.
yeah, I guess. Pretty good.
I'm gonna see what I should donate to the Wind Shrine.
You should donate some red or blue extracts, one of them.
No, because I don't have that much anymore. I used to have like 70s in the 70s.
Oh. I wonder where they all went.
To the Wind Shrine.
Yeah,
And for
I'm
crafting.
joking.
And for crafting. Because I needed Bubble Mask, Bucko Guard, and Riley Guard. I'm gonna donate 8 magic beans.
Oh,
What?
the first thing I'm gonna donate is like 25 field dice.
Okay, I don't have that much field dice. Right now I've been doing field dice, but I don't have that much field dice. So 8 magic beans. The magic beans pop and vanish before your eyes. Nothing seems to happen. What? It said nothing
Thanks,
seems
Susan.
to happen.
It's Windy Bee. There's a Windy Bee.
Oh. Oh,
Thanks, Susan.
okay, and I got honey. Ethan. When it said nothing seems to happen, I was like, what? Because when it says that, it usually means, nah, you're not going to get anything from the Wind Shrine.
Wait, you can get nothing? That's possible?
Yes. There's a very rare chance for it to get nothing. I got 1 jelly bean and 2,400,000 honey. So where's the
No.
where's the Windy Bee?
I don't know. The wind train's not moving anymore.
Isn't it?
No. Did you actually get nothing?
No, I said I got a jelly bean and 2.4 million.
Oh. I don't care, Adam.
It was definitely moving though, so I think I did get a Windy Bee. And I bet it is still moving.
I didn't, I just checked it. I can check it now. And it's not moving.
I'll go all the way over there, literally next to it, to see if it's moving. There is a Windy Bee in the coconut field.
Oh.
Told you.
I'm looking at the cloud in the field, but I can't see any Windy Bee.
Yeah, there's a cloud, and inside of the cloud is Windy Bee.
I can't see Windy Bee inside it.
Well, he's in there.
Are you gonna go do it?
Yep.
I think it's just an ordinary cloud. I'm literally right up beside it.
Oh wait, yeah, it is a normal cloud.
See?
And they aren't moving. Oh. Well, it started jingling and stuff, so it should have given me something.
I thought that too.
Because there's literally a 100% guarantee to get a Windy Bee when it starts moving.
I know. But it might have been just the thing where it took it away. And yeah. It might have been just that.
So, are you close to finishing your quest?
I'll have a go, but I'm not gonna have that much of a go.
I'm going to pause the video now, guys. Okay, guys, I'm going to end the video now because it is 34 minutes long. So, Ethan isn't here at the moment. He's getting changed. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to smash that subscribe button. Hit that like button as hard as you can. And slap that notification bell with your head. And I'll see you guys in another video. Goodbye. Which bee is going to fly in my face now? I'm going to end it when it flies in my face.